Hey guys, welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. Today's project is part of a collaboration that I'm doing with two other crafters. It's part of our Three Crafters series. This is a hashtag hop, so you will find the hashtag Three Crafters Remember at the top. You can click on that and or below your video, depending on if you're using your phone. But you can click on that and it'll take you to the projects that were done by Kim at Kim Dixon Creative and by Susan with Susan Lee Rose. They're both wonderful, inspiring crafters, and check out their videos, subscribe to their channels, give them some love. My project today is very simple. It might seem a little complicated. There's a lot of masking and blending and things, but it is a one panel of cardstock card that just has ink layers on it. And you'll see that I've first used the mint tape to mask off some areas, and I mitered the corners on those. You'll see to create some dimension. This is the scrapbooks.com mint tape, but you can use your purple tape or your washi, whatever repositionable adhesive that you have. I'm using Avery repositionable labels. That's what the white sheet is. I use these for stamp masking and a number of other things. And so I went ahead and used my large paper punch. So I think it's a 3.5-inch paper punch to cut out a circle. So I created two things here. I created the frame, which I'm using now. And then I created the circle itself, which you'll see here in a second. I went ahead and used my squeezed lemonade. Is it squeezed lemon? The yellow. Distress oxide ink here. Masked that off. And then, so now I know, using it as a template, exactly where that circle mask needed to go. So I covered that part out. I'm using a light gray archival ink here with my Pink and Main blender brush. This is a pretty light gray, and I use it for no-line stamping and things like that. The color shows up way better on the screen than it did in my craft room. I'm not sure if it was the angle or you see that I keep going back over it. This is the original effect that I wanted on my card, but I really couldn't see it, so I didn't realize it was there when I went to bring in the blue, I think this is Cracked China, Distress Oxide ink. I was hoping to have more of a gray circle around it, but I really didn't see the gray. So here I am blending it in. Of course it's sped up, but you'll see at the end here I do a little bit of blending in the corners just to kind of lighten it up and even it up, and this is in real speed. Here I'm using my scrapbooks.com blender brushes. So now we're ready for the big reveal.